Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. Today's recipe is whole chicken roast without oven. This is simple to make recipe. Let's start. In half a cup of yogurt, add salt, black pepper, two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and lemon juice. Mix it well. Take one whole chicken, remove the skin. Apply gashets on the chicken. As you've seen, I am applying the gashets all over the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of kasturi methi in the yogurt mixture. Mix it. Apply the mixture all over the chicken. Tie the legs with the thread and cover it. Leave it to marinate for 6 hours. After 6 hours, for steaming the chicken, now take steamer, place a chicken on it. Add 2 cups of water in a pot. Place the chicken on top of the pot and cover the lid. Steam it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, chicken get completely steamed, as you've seen. Now take it out and fry it in a hot oil. Turn it very carefully. Take it out and serve it hot. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.